to show or hide apps on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a setting gear icon at the bottom right. Scroll. Here you can see hide apps on home and app screen. Tap on it. Here you can see list of all installed apps on your device. Now select the app you want to hide from the app drawer or home screen on your device. Here we select Amazon, Google Chrome. Now select application you want to hide. Tap on a done at the bottom right. Now open the home screen or app drawer. You can't find the app you hide on your device. To access this app, you also can't access from folder or on your device. To access this app, you need to unhide it again on your device. To tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a setting gear icon at the bottom right. Tap on hide apps on home and app screen. Now tap on a minus icon you want to unhide app or access app from the app drawer or home screen. Tap on a minus icon to remove from the hidden apps. Now tap on a done at the bottom right. Now open app drawer and you can find the app you hide like Chrome and any other app you hide on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. That's it. If you like it, share it.